Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time.
To replace the control board assembly in your LG washer, you will need needle nose pliers, zip ties, wire cutters, spring removal tool, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Unthread the screw securing the right side of the control panel. Open the drawer and push down on the push tab and remove the detergent assembly. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the left side of the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Unplug the harness to the control panel. Unclip the drain hose, then unthread the 2 Phillips screws. Pull out the case. Unthread the screw underneath the drain pump cleanout. Insert the spring tool on either end of the spring and pull to remove the ring. Detach the boot seal from the front panel. Unthread the 6 screws on the front panel. Push the panel down to release it from the tab. Unplug the door lock from the harness. Lift the front panel up and away from the washer. Unthread the 4 screws securing the rear cover. Push the cover up and pull out to remove. Unthread the ground screw for the predominantly green wire with a yellow stripe. Noting the orientation of the wires, unplug the pressure sensor. Unplug the inlet valves. Remove the pink plug from the noise filter. Unplug the temperature sensor. Now, remove the blue retaining clip and free it from the frame. Remove the white and blue retaining clips on the back of the washer and free them from the frame. Remove the twist tie and uncover the blue harness and unplug it. On the front of the washer, remove the 3 plugs on the heating element. Cut the 3 zip ties securing the harness. Pull back the plastic cover and unplug the harness. Remove the blue wire retaining clip. Push in the tab on the wire guide rail, then push up to unseat and remove the rail from the frame. Pull the wires through the frame and rest them on the tub. Remove the orange retaining clip above the noise filter. Unthread the screw securing the control board assembly. Pull back the tab, then slide and lift out the assembly. To install the new control board assembly, place the tabs in the panel and press down to secure it. Then slide forward to lock and seat the peg in the frame. Rethread the screw to the control board. Snap in the orange retaining clip above the noise filter. Run the respective wires down the front and back side in the frame. Insert and seat the wire guide rail into the frame. Secure the wires with the zip tie. Snap in the blue retaining clip on the front side of the frame. Secure the wires with the zip tie. Plug in the heating element. Plug in the drain pump. Then cover it with the plastic and secure it with the zip tie. On the back of the washer, connect the plug to the stator harness. Then cover it with the plastic and secure it with the twist tie. Snap in the 5 retaining clips. Slide the rear cover into position. Rethread the 4 screws. Run the control panel wire through the frame and snap in the retaining clip. Plug in the temperature sensor. Plug in the filter. Plug in the inlet valves. Plug in the pressure sensor. Rethread the ground wire to the frame. Set the panel on the 3 tabs and plug in the harness. Push the panel upright and lock it in place with the tab. Rethread the 6 screws into the panel. Rethread the screw into the drain pump. Feed the drain hose through the case and place in the washer. Rethread the 2 Phillips screws and clip in the drain hose. Tuck the boot seal into the front panel. Tuck the ring into the seal starting at the top. Insert the spring removal tool into the ring to securely seat it into the seal. Plug the wire harness back into the display board. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Rethread the 2 screws on the left side of the control panel. Align the detergent assembly and push in until it snaps into place. Rethread the screw on the right side of the control panel. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel.
Push the washer back into place. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.